create a form of two inputs that respectively accept two numbers I and j. So basically we have to have a form that accepts two numbers I and j. This submit event, then there is a submit button. This submit event should be handled by the backing class and the sum returned through a query string parameter. So when this is submitted, your backing class will make this addition of I and j and redirect back to the same page and pass a query string parameter, and that parameter will have to be read on this page and the sum has to be displayed. So this is the question. Let us see how we can solve this question. For this we have created a basic application using Visual Studio, and this is the pages folder. We haven't made any changes to the default settings. We have kept the default settings because our interest is in the solution to this problem. So in the pages folder we will first of all create a models folder, and the models folder will contain a model to hold your numbers I and j. As you can see, this is the class that we have called my numbers. We have called this class as my numbers, and I and j are two properties that we have set in this class. And in the backing class of the index razor page, you can see that we have set this as a bind property, my numbers. This will connect to the form. The property I will connect to the first input and the j property will connect to the second input. And you can have a look at it that we have given some initial value to this property my numbers. Here only